Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to do the analysis on the BitTorrent BTT USDT pair price analysis. So I'm gonna jump straight onto the chart. You can see here we have the price chart here on the tradingview.com, and this is on the daily. So I'm gonna draw the certain levels around this area, and here we have already the perfect spot, the perfect resistance or support or perfect zone, you can call it. You can see here the price is now hovering over this area. If we take a look closely, you see here this is the area, perfect area, perfect spot right now. I already told you a couple of days ago that this area is a very important area. It can come down to this zone. Okay, so this is the area of sport right now. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take another candle, might be this one as well. So I'm gonna draw the next zone around this area as well. So this is a zone right now, this is the sport 1 right now, and this is the sport 2. Okay, right now we have these two candles. Okay, these two kind of hammer candles, you can call it, not hammer candles, but here is the scenario. The price came down, okay, and the price is now above the support level. Now where is the resistance? That is the main question. This is the resistance area. If we name it here, these two levels are the resistance areas. I'm gonna mark and draw a rectangle, and this is the area of resistance right now. So if we mark a price somewhere around here, okay, this is the price 1, and this is the area of, you can call this is the area of resistance, okay, supply zone. And below we have this area as a support level, this one. Okay, this is the support 1, and next up this is the support area 2. Okay, understand guys? So this is on the daily chart, and right now we have been rejected from the top side as well. But the main thing, if this candle closes above the area of 2381, we can say we might break this level soon. Okay, we might break this level soon. If I take a look at the volume, just take a look at the volume. The green volume is good, high volume. You can see as compared to this volume, you can see here comparison, you can see here the volume of these red candles is not, it's not in accordance with this price fall. So if this volume could have been on the upside, then we could say that we are in the downtrend. But I think so these the white bars, the white volume bars, showing that the volume is increasing and there's a good buying around here. And if I turn on the RSI for you guys, let me turn off the volume. Do we have any divergence? Yeah, let me check. You can see here we are in the overbought situation, guys. You can see in the overbought situation here, and if I go back, we have good. Okay, good, that's good. We are in the overbought situation, simple is that, no divergence. Okay, simple. Although if we take a look at this one, this area, and this one, and we take a look at here, there is no divergence, although no divergence. Okay, so but the thing is, we are in the divergence, we are in the oversold situation. Now let me turn on the EMAs. Let's take a look at the EMAs. Do we have, yeah, 13, 20, 50 and 200 right now. This is the main hurdle, guys. 26, 25 is the resistance area. Right now this indicator giving us a signal, this indicator giving us the buy signal right now. I'm gonna tell you about this indicator very soon. It's a good indicator, you can see here in the past. Okay, and let me turn on the things. Yeah, it is already turned on, so it gives you the good signal on the shorter time frame. If I go to the shorter time frame, we can see here, okay, it is giving the signal at this area. This was the wrong signal this was a good signal. You can see here that mostly indicators give us the signal on the shorter time frame good signal, on the longer time frame bad signals. So it depends. You can see here it gave the signal around here and it went up, and after that it didn't give any signal. And but rest I don't depend on the indicators. I mostly rely on the the price chart, the price action, the supply and demand zone. That's the most important thing. So right now guys, the thing is, if we turn on the 4-hour chart, okay, 4-hour chart, it is telling us that we are below the resistance area, and we need some confirmation. If I go back in the history, let me turn back to the history. We haven't had any kind of support or resistance at this area. So but I'm gonna take this one as the, this is the resistance area or the area, because it is a swing high candle. Okay, let me move forward a bit. Yeah, sorry, I think yeah. Now here is the thing. This is the local resistance right now, and you can see the candles are getting rejected from this area. Okay, candles are getting rejected from this area, and we need to break above. Otherwise we might be going down to this level of 2381. You can see here we have a strong rejection from the top side. So right now the BTT might going to retrace back to this area 2021, and if we get a double rejection from here, then we can move on the upside. But this is the main area of resistance. This is the local resistance 1, and this is the resistance 2, and on the downside this is the support 1 and this is the support 2. So you can place your orders accordingly. Right now I don't think so it would be a good idea to buy, because I don't see a clear thing right now, not a clear signal. The clear signal would be if you buy around here, somewhere around this area, okay, on the spot level. Okay guys, so this is the current scenario of BitTorrent. And if you can buy on the longer time frame, if you want to hold for the longer time frame, then it's a good signal. You can buy and hold, because we are already down. On the downside, you can see here we have a sharp decline, like a parabolic move, but on the downside. So if we consolidate for a few days, we can have a parabolic move on the upside as well. So this is the BitTorrent for you guys. This is the price analysis of BitTorrent. This is the support 1, support 2, resistance 1 and resistance 2. So that's it guys. Thank you very much. I think you got the idea. That's it. Thank you very much.